OSI Model, Open Systems Interconnection. 7-layer. It's a framework that standardizes how devices communicate over a network, divided into 7 layers. Each layer has a specific role and passes data to the layers above and below. 1. Application layer, layer 7. What it does. Interface between user and network. Examples. Web browsers, email, file transfer. Function. Provides services like HTTP, FTP, SMTP. 2. Presentation layer, layer 6. What it does. Translates, encrypts, compresses data. Function. Ensures data is readable by the receiving system. Examples. Encryption, SSL, TLS, JPEG, ASCII. 3. Session layer, layer. What it does? Manages sessions, connections between devices. Function. Opens, maintains, and closes sessions. Examples. APIs, NetBIOS. 4. Transport layer, layer 4. What it does? Delivers data error-free and in order. Function. Provides reliable or unreliable delivery. Protocols. TCP, reliable. UDP, fast but unreliable. 5. Network layer, layer 3. What it does. Decides the best path for data. Function. Routing and addressing IP. Protocols. IP, ICMP, OSPF. 6. Data link layer, layer 2. What it does. Moves data from one device to another within the same network. Function. MAC addressing, error detection. Example. Ethernet switches MAC addresses. 7. Physical layer, layer 1. What it does. Transmits raw bits over a physical medium. Function. Hardware transmission, cables, signals, voltages. Examples. Cables, switches, NICs, fiber optics. How the OSI model works. Simple flow. 1. Data starts at the application layer, layer in on the sender's device. 2. Passes through each lower layer, getting packaged and prepared. 3. At layer 1, bits are sent through cables or Wi-Fi.